It is different. It is quite different. And
yeah, that's what they.
And
do you feel comfortable with it? Or?
I am.
Yeah.
I am. I'm actually started last year. Some guys are to think through because the weather, you know,
Yeah.
weather,
Yeah.
the weather,
Yeah.
and they come back with F-16s and just, you know, step by step keep using them first as we used our MiGs back then. Yeah, so it is really a super fun jet to fly. I'm not saying that MiG that I flew before is super boring, but the F-16 is definitely more agile. We study a lot, we fly a lot, we prep for the missions, and so on. Royal Danish Air Force has taken a huge responsibility on their shoulders for carrying out this mission. And I can only imagine how hard it is for them to train us for day-to-day operation, but they are being nothing but supportive.
But it has been updated several times, and actually, as it is right here, it's a very modern aircraft. It's competitive with the best Western fighters, and so you will. I'm sure that the Ukrainian Air Force will benefit from that. It's a very modern aircraft that they received from us. So we have a lot of sympathy with the Ukrainian people, and we want to do whatever we can to help. So of course.